Versace,
Massachi,
Roberto Cavalli,
lo Camali,
Salvatore Ferragamo.
Sabitolo.
Tiam tuin tiam de tia, nghe khát tiam đi rồi chỉ bắt min tiam tuin cần tiam tia, min tiam mà tiam de tia, min tiam tuin cần tiam de tia.
Team fan. Ada fang meme ka kawan spiritual.
Cái đuôi nó ya cái tịt thế cái loa cái tịt xoạc cái chuối đuôi thì cái ngày béo
Nghe đồng chưa?
gas bút thì cái ngày lâu à cái ngày đâu trâu mấy
Cú carte cho biết thì
cái ngày
Ei tur siam dan buat sai dan tu.
ôi cái tịt thế quá
Iti dan hi. Dang thai hi mole. Ko ai thathe lo.
This is lassi, sweet of India. This is lungi,
What's this?
cotton of India.
Disgusting. What is this?
This is air India. Jersey.
3、4，我想要带你去浪漫的土耳其，然后一起去东京。
Go away. Ni zan khang atinge ka phone biak che khai chan lo ka text po min chang lo ngatinge nangma ang lo taka I online lo ve te mial boite eng po chu ni se choi tui chuan boite in dai tangai lo khati po khan ka du tho tho che eng po chu ni se zong tra cho me eng po ni se choi tui ni zan khan choi tui jing tho lai tho.
Nang hệ mo. Đây là mình ăn về please. Please give me one more. Thank you, PR.
Malam ini ku datang menghampiri.
The girl boutique. sorry store. So weird.
ugly, stop talking about inner beauty. Men do not walk around with x-rays to see your inner beauty.
Who is that from?
Mugabe.
Robert Mugabe School of Quotes. Chalas.
If you're ugly,
You're ugly.
don't talk about.
Inner beauty.
Men do not walk with
X-rays.
x-rays to see what? Your inner beauty. Enough.
How great my girlfriend is. Okay. So she left her phone. She's at work right now. Hi, Samantha, if you're watching. I was going through your Twitter and I see all them dudes in your DM and how they were saying, are you single, and how you look sexy, and you were sending provocative photos to them. And, you know, one dude asked you if you had a boyfriend and you said no. I just don't understand. But guess what? I do now. So you want to cheat on me after I bought you a phone so you can text. First of all, I bought you a phone not to text other dudes, but to text me and text the family here and then. But you wanted to text other dudes like you're single. Okay, Samantha. Oh my gosh. All right. I charged your phone for you so you can text some more dudes. Yeah. Go on, text them, baby. Text them. Text them.
Basil. Okay, I would say basil or
Basil.
this one. Okay, you go first. Tomato. Tomato, of course. Tomato.
Tomato.
Fertile. Fertile.
Fertile.
Bathroom. A lot of people would say bathroom, but for some reason I say bathroom. Bathroom, but
Bedroom.
would this be premiere? Premiere? How would premiere?
Premier.
Vitamin.
Vitamin.
Vitamin.